Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you this teal brown cut crease with the Juvia's Place Zulu palette. This isn't a new palette, but I just got it and I love the colors in this. And I really wanted to try out this look that I saw on YouTube. So I decided to do a tutorial on it. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Please subscribe before you leave and let's just get started. Okay, so I'm first going to start out with my e.l.f. Putty Eye Primer. I'm just going to prime my eyelids with this. Today I'm going to be using the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. Really cool palette. It has beautiful colors. I love the brown and this teal right here. So I'm going to start off with this brown color and this Morphe JH43 brush. It's just a flat brush so I can get really tight into the crease because this is going to be a cut crease. I already did it on this eye. It's a beautiful look. I love it so much. So I'm just going to be packing that down into my crease. And then we'll be blending in just a minute. But first I'm getting the most pigment out of the eyeshadows by just packing it down onto the eyeshadow base. And then I'm going to use the Morphe M562 brush. This is a new brush that I just got. It is so tiny. It is called the Tiny Blender brush. And I'm going to take that same brown and just go over on top of that with this, and this is just going to help it blend out a bit more. And then I'm going to take this Morphe JH33 brush. I have a new one here. And I'm going to take the orange right here with this brush, and I'm gonna pack this down over top of, like right next to that brown in the crease area, and just really get that pigment down. Try not to take it up too high because we're going to be putting the yellow up there. And then I'm going to take the Morphe JH40 brush. It's just a really small brush, and I'm going to take the yellow color. Whoop. I ended up getting some orange on it. I'm going to take the yellow color and run that right where the orange stops and just next to my eyebrow, and blend this out. And then I'm going to go in with this brush and blend the brown like out into the orange a little bit. And make sure that has lots of pigment and just intensify it, and then go back in with the orange and just repeat and just make sure that everything has its pigment and is blended out. And then I forgot to do this. I'm gonna use this Real Technique shading brush. It doesn't really matter what brush. I'm gonna run this along my brow bone to clean it up and make sure that there's not a bunch of yellow shadow up there, which I kind of failed at, but I'm just running that along there. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to take this NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Milk and just apply this right on my lid for some extra This is going to help the eyeshadow stand out even better and kind of lighten the color a little bit. And I'm going to take this beautiful blue teal color right here with this Morphe M421 brush. This is the mini concealer brush, and it's so small that it helps me be able to be really precise with the color. And I'm just gonna apply this all over my eyelid. And then I also put a little bit of this in my inner corner and just pack excess on the brush onto this area. Because I don't want it to be too blue in the inner corner, just have some of that blue color kind of blending into the inner corner. And then I'm going to make it a little bit more white in the inner corner with this Essence My Must Haves eyeshadow single in the shade Snowflake. I'm just going to take that with my finger and put that in the inner corner. And then I'm going to go back in with this brush and the brown and just intensify the cut crease. A little bit more now that we have the blue in there. So I just cleaned up any fallout, and I just made sure to keep this like circle effect on the outer corner because I don't really want it to be like winged out or anything. So this is the eye look. Now I'm going to go do my face makeup off camera. If you'd like to see my foundation routine for summer, I will link that. I'll put it in the IO somewhere. Okay, so I'm going to do my, what was that? My lower lash line. I'm going to just take the dark brown and this same flat brush, and I'm going to tap that off so there's not too much, and I'm going to put that right on my lower lash line. In like the outer corner area, and like connect it. Then I'm gonna go in with the yellow and this brush and very, very lightly just run over that. And then I'm going to take this NYX crayon eye pencil in the shade Teal. And it's just a really pretty teal color. And I'm going to apply that in my waterline. Okay, so since that pencil doesn't have the best pigmentation, I'm going to use this Morphe M508 brush and the teal color in the palette and just apply that in my waterline. So then I'm going to apply some mascara. I'm going to use the Essence Lash Princess Mascara. Oh, I have to curl my lashes too. I like to skip things. It's just, yeah, the way I am. Okay, never do that voice again ever in your life, Chelsea. It's a good thing I learned how to apply false lashes because my lashes have not been cooperating with me lately. Okay, for my lashes, I'm going to use the, I don't know what are they called? The Kiss. Is it Kiss? I think so. I think it's the Kiss Lash Couture Push-Up Collection. This is the one in Bassier, I think is how you say it. They're really pretty lashes. It fell. Okay, everything's fine. Still on. And I'm going to use the Kiss. I'm also going to use the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive. Okay, so this is the completed teal cut crease with the Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!